Have you ever looked at a clock, then looked again later, and wondered exactly how much time has truly passed, perhaps for a meeting or a recipe? Understanding how to measure the stretch of time between two moments is a surprisingly useful skill for everyday planning and organization. Calculating elapsed time simply involves subtracting the starting time from the ending time. This straightforward approach provides the duration of an event or activity, giving you a clear picture of how many hours and minutes have gone by. The reason this method works is rooted in hour-based 60-time system. Hours and minutes don't operate on a simple decimal system, so a direct subtraction requires a bit of thoughtful handling, especially when you need to borrow minutes from an hour or adjust for passing midnight. But the core principle remains: find the difference between the 2 points on the clock. To begin, always write down your ending time and your starting time. Let's say you started cooking at 2 o'clock in the afternoon and finished at 4:30 in the afternoon. You would subtract 2 o'clock from 4:30. 4 hours and 30 minutes minus 2 hours equals 2 hours and 30 minutes. This is your elapsed time. Now, what if the minutes are trickier? Imagine starting a task at 1:45 in the afternoon and finishing at 3:10 in the afternoon. You cannot directly subtract 45 minutes from 10 minutes. In this case, you need to borrow an hour from the ending time. Change 3 o'clock 10 minutes into 2 hours and 70 minutes by taking 1 hour from the 2 and adding 60 minutes to the 10. Now you can easily subtract 1 hour and 45 minutes from 2 hours and 70 minutes, which gives you 1 hour and 25 minutes. If your event crosses midnight, like starting at 10 o'clock at night and ending at 1 o'clock in the morning, convert the ending time to a 24-hour format for the next day, which means 1 o'clock in the morning becomes 1,300 hours. Then, subtract 1,000 hours from 1,300 hours, resulting in 3 hours. A helpful trick is to first calculate the time remaining until a full hour or midnight, and then add that to the time after. For example, from 10:45 in the morning to 11 o'clock in the morning is 15 minutes, and then from 11 o'clock in the morning to 12:30 in the afternoon is 1 hour and 30 minutes. So you add 15 minutes and 1 hour and 30 minutes together for 1 hour and 45 minutes of elapsed time. A useful tip is to consistently think of your hours as having 60 minutes each, which makes borrowing and carrying a breeze. Whether you are scheduling appointments, timing a workout, or planning a trip, mastering this simple skill makes you a more confident and efficient manager of your day. By understanding how to accurately calculate the time between events, you gain invaluable control over your schedule and can plan your activities with far greater precision. This skill empowers you to estimate durations, manage your time effectively, and always know exactly how long something has taken or will take.
If you love exploring numbers, like, subscribe, and keep counting with us.